Hello, hungry folks. Oatmeal has had a sort of renaissance last year, which isn't surprising since it's rich in vitamins, minerals, and filling fibers. This helps regulate blood sugar levels and suppresses hunger pangs. In these muffins, combined with bananas, which contain trace elements like iron, potassium, copper, and zinc, it's overall a healthy combination, and most importantly, a delicious one. And for that, we need spelt flour, vanilla sugar, and baking powder, tender rolled oats. Raw cane sugar or brown sugar, coconut blossom sugar also works well, and you can also replace about 50 with a low-calorie option like birch sugar or G-sucker. Of course, we need bananas plus a pinch of salt, butter, an egg, cinnamon powder, and optionally, but I recommend it, a bit of Nutella or a similar chocolate spread. You could also use peanut butter. The muffins taste great with that too. First, we add the flour to the oats in a bowl, then add a pinch of salt and sprinkle in the baking powder. Then mix everything thoroughly, and the best way to do that is with a whisk. Now let's turn to the bananas. I've combined regular and mini bananas here. You don't have to, but you do need to peel them. Then cut them into pieces and mash them. It's probably best with a fork, and I'll do it quickly. In the end, we need a pretty fine banana mash. Now let's quickly prepare the muffin tin, or even two depending on what you need. So line the cups with paper liners. Alright, now we need most of the butter, melt it preferably in a large mixing bowl. Then add the banana puree to it. Crack an egg into the mixture, sprinkle in most of the sugar, and add the vanilla sugar too. Then mix everything together briefly but thoroughly. Best tool for this is of course the whisk attachments of a mixer. Once we're ready, add the dry ingredient mixture we prepared earlier. Then mix everything together quickly again. Now the batter is ready, and we can fill it into the paper liners. Use a spoon for this, or like I do, an ice cream scoop works well. Fill the liners just about halfway. Smooth out the batter a bit and press it down. Now, as I said, this is optional, but it enhances the flavor of the muffins. Add a heaping teaspoon of Nutella or an alternative. Once that's done, add another layer of batter on top, just enough so that the paper liners are 3/4 full, or a bit more. Smooth out the batter again. And now we melt the rest of the butter in a bowl, add some oats, add the remaining sugar, and sprinkle in some cinnamon. And since I melted the butter in the bowl, it's hot. Didn't want to burn my delicate fingers, so gloves on, and then mix everything thoroughly. I just do it with a fork, it's really quick. Of course, you could also use a whisk. Now we need our muffin tin again and spread the mixture we just made as a topping on top of the batter. And then we bake it at 200 degrees Celsius top and bottom heat. For convection, that's 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Me, it was 22 minutes. And this is how delicious they look when they are done baking. We place them on a cooling rack to cool down. But you don't have to let them cool completely. They taste especially good when they're still a bit warm. It's not just the taste that makes them worth making, but also because they are mostly made of healthy ingredients and the preparation is really quick and easy. I hope you have fun baking and enjoy your meal.